In the last video, we talked about why being a too nice teacher is dangerous. So now the real question is this: how can you stay friendly without losing authority? Authority doesn't come from being strict, and it definitely doesn't come from being cold. Authority comes from clarity and consistency. Friendly is not the problem. Unclear is. Friendly teachers don't lose control because they smile too much. They lose control because students don't know where the line is. So the goal is not to stop being friendly. The goal is to make boundaries obvious. This is the part many teachers get wrong. They start with warmth, jokes, flexibility, second chances, and they plan to be firmer later. That rarely works. Students need to know from day one: who is in charge, what happens when rules are broken, what will always happen, no matter the mood. Once authority is clear, warmth feels safe. Without authority, warmth feels weak. Friendly teachers often over-explain. They talk, they reason, they negotiate. But students don't listen to explanations. They watch follow-through. If you say, "Please stop talking," and nothing happens when they don't, you've just taught a lesson you didn't intend to. Clear teachers give one instruction, wait, act, no extra words. No emotion. That's what keeps authority intact. This is how you stay friendly. You don't attack tone, you don't shame, you don't lecture. You simply name the behavior and respond. Not, "Why are you being rude?" But, "Talking while I'm talking is not okay." Friendly tone, firm action, students feel respected and contained. Students don't feel safe when a teacher reacts emotionally. They feel safe when the teacher reacts the same way every time. If today you ignore a behavior, but tomorrow you get upset about the same thing. If one student gets corrected, but another student doesn't. If the rule depends on your mood or the time of day, students will keep testing. That's why consistency matters. Not being strict, being consistent. Here's the key distinction. Rules should be firm. Tone can be warm. You don't soften rules. You soften delivery. You can smile and still say no. You can be calm and still stop behavior. You can be friendly without negotiating boundaries. That's what mature authority looks like. A friendly teacher with authority smiles but doesn't repeat instructions, jokes but stops behavior immediately, listens but doesn't negotiate rules. Remember, you don't lose authority by being friendly. You lose authority by being unclear. Make your boundaries visible, consistent, and non-negotiable. Please share your thoughts in the comments so other teachers can learn from your experience. Thank you, and see you next time.